Good morning this Monday, the 4th of December. I'm Sam Kanan, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Wall Street rallied on Friday to close the week off strongly. The Dow Jones ended the trading week in the green, up 0.82%, with the S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq both rising by 0.59% and 0.55% respectively. Over in Europe, markets closed higher on Friday following a global rally in stocks and bonds. The Stoxx 600 ended the trading session up 1%, with mining stocks leading gains up 4.2% after China's manufacturing sector recorded an unexpected expansion. Germany's DAX rose 1.12%, the French CAC gained 0.48%, and over in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the trading day just over 1% in the green. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 closed 0.2% lower to end the trading week. Losses were led by the information technology and consumer staples sectors, which lost 1.08% and 0.84% respectively. This was slightly offset by the energy sector, which rose 0.12% on Friday. As for what to watch locally today, the Australian share market is set to open higher, with the SPI future suggesting a rise of 0.92% at the open this morning. On the commodities front today, oil is down 2.49% to $74.07 a barrel, as Saudi Arabia is expected to extend its voluntary cut of 1 million barrels a day. Gold is up 1.78% to $2,071.96 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.75% to $132.50 a tonne. And now to end on some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter maintains a buy rating on Developed Global and has kept its 12-month price target steady at $4.30. The buy rating is maintained following the forthcoming restart of Woodlawn operations, coinciding with growing revenue generation in the company's underground mining services business. DVP was also awarded a $46 million underground development contract by the Mount Marion joint venture to establish and develop an exploration decline at the Mount Marion lithium mine in Western Australia. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal in Omni Bridgeway, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $1.47 to the range of 92 cents to $1.02 on pattern formed over 24 days according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy investing.